Hey, what's up everybody, it's your truly DJ Roxy coming to you once again with another tutorial video. Today's tutorial video is on this beautiful Ddj Sx2. So I'm gonna take you step by step on how to fix your Pioneer Ddj Sx2. But it also for the SX, same thing. And the SR, same thing. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is flip the unit. Forgot to mention, I got the replacement faders right here, directly from Pioneer. Yeah. So let's go ahead and take all these screws out from the bottom cover. Also, you're gonna find some screws on the side that you want to take off as well. Alright, once you take all the screws from the bottom of the cover, you can pull this up, put this on the side. Alright, so once you remove the black cover, what you want to do is remove these screws from here, remove the screws from the side panel, and we should be able to lift this up and remove this so we can get to the bottom of the board so we can do some soldering. You gotta be very gentle doing this stuff. There's a ribbon right underneath. You want to push back the clips and take this ribbon off. There's another ribbon on this side. You want to take it off as well. Once you take all the ribbons off, flip this on the side and take the master 1/4 inch connector off this board. Once you've taken this off, you put it on the side. You can disconnect your SLR connector, and then you can plug everything out. Alright, our next step is to flip this and remove . Once you remove the screw, you can pull forward this. Now, very next step is to remove all these screws from this motherboard. One thing I like to mention, you have to take this plastic protector off that goes right here. One thing I like to mention, you have to take all the screw out from your faceplate, because right underneath your faceplate there are some nuts that need to be removed in order for you to take the main board that's responsible for your channel faders. So you have to remove all these little screws that you see on your faceplate and try to remove your faceplate. It's kind of gonna be hard because it's kind of like sticky, kind of sticking. Just be gentle, don't bend it too much, because when you're ready to put it together, you don't want to have too much trouble of having a bent faceplate. Yeah. So as you can see, there are some nuts right underneath the faceplate that needs to be removed. just remove all these plastic stuff. Don't worry, it can only go one way, so I'm pretty sure you can't go wrong when it's time to put them together. You have some screws right underneath your faders. You want to take these screws out. You don't have to worry about the nuts on the side, because those nuts are responsible for the other two motherboards, just the one in the center. Once you remove everything, you can carefully flip the unit. Alright, so once you remove everything, you know, this is what we're gonna be working on, fixing this right here. Alright, so this is the motherboard that we're gonna be working on. This is your channel fader motherboard, and your EQ, your such. So we're gonna be soldering the new faders. Alright, so in order to get to the fader, you want to take this screw off and the other screw at the bottom. Then you want to take this, put this on the side in a safe place. Alright, so there are 4 contacts that hold each fader. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. You want to desolder these, and alright, for better access to desolder these, I like to remove the little stud from the fader, and that way when I put my desoldering gun, I can get right to the bottom of it. Alright, bear in mind when you desolder your faders, there are some numbers and you want to put them in a direct order. If not, you're going to be facing some problem when you put everything together. So there are 1 and 2 on the bottom, and 3 and 4 correspond to the holes on top. So just make sure you put this in the correct position. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to take your new fader, like I said, 1 and 2 to the bottom. So just like this, 1 and 2, and 3 and 4 on the top. So you're gonna put it in this position, and just put it in there. Make sure that it's flush on the side with your motherboard, and you can go ahead and start doing some soldering. So once you put all your faders, then it's time to reassemble your unit back together. Now you can watch the video in reverse for you to put the unit back together. Don't want to do this video too long. I hope this video was a help to any of you guys who brave enough to do it on your own. It's a lot of screws to take off. It's a lot of procedure to change this these channel faders from your unit. But I hope this video helped any of you guys out there. It's your boy DJ Roxy Subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos on different equipment and stuff like that. So thank you guys for watching. Until next time.